Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download WhatsApp in mobile in a couple of simple steps. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Play Store and tap on the search bar. Search for WhatsApp and it will show a couple of results. In the results section, tap on WhatsApp Messenger and click download. After you have downloaded the app, tap on open and it will open WhatsApp. After opening the app, select your language preference and tap next. In the privacy policy section, tap on agree and continue. In the next step, you have to enter your phone number and sign up your WhatsApp account, which we will show in the next video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.